Hi guys, my dear viewers, you are watching my YouTube channel Professor for You. I am here with another very important and interesting video. The topic of our today's video is value. What are the types of values? What is the importance of value? And what is the explanation of the values? So we will discuss and do comparison with ethics, morals, prices and norms with the values. So let's start. What is value? Value are the thing that you believe in the way you live and work. Value determine your priorities, your interests and your dealing with society. Basically, values are individuals' belief that motivate people to act one way or another. They serve as a guide for human behaviors. People likes to adopt the values that are raised with them, and they believe that these values are right because these values are the part of their culture. For example, values help you to set your thoughts, your actions, your beliefs. They help you be authentic and also determine your conduct with society. Values are also very important for grow up and develop better future, and values are also basic source for your better decisions which you done daily. Values are having deep influence in your behavior and also for personal development. Values having so many types. So here we discuss two main types of values. Number one, moral values, and number two, ethical values. So first we will discuss moral values. Moral values are follows as the values of charity, values of compassion, values of cooperation, values of courage, values of empathy, values of equality, values of forgiveness, values of gratitude, values of hard work, values of humanity, and values of personality. These all are comes in the type of moral values because these values are directly attached with our personality, with our behavior, with our attitude, with our conversation, with our relations with others, with society. With these moral values are the basic cause to distinguish the person from good and bad cop. Who is the positive and creative person having these values, but who have not following these values is not considered as positive and creative person. The second type of values is ethical values. The subtypes of ethical values are as follows: values of your thought process, values of your sense process, values of your differentiate between right and wrong, values of your trust on others, values of your behavior of treating others, values of your love and care towards others. These are comes in the type of ethical values because these are your actions, your performance, your working, your output performing daily. But the more important thing, the values are based on the norms. What is the explanation of norms and what is norms? Because the basic originating source of values is norms. Norms are the fundamental concept in the society. Norms are most commonly defined the rules or limits for better development. Basically, norms are the fundamental concepts, means how you should perform your actions, how you get your decisions, how you perform your relations, how you perform your daily job, how you deal with others, how you deal with elders, how you deal with youngers, and also how you react in response of any unexpected thing, and how the norms develop. Norms basically developed with the treatment of your parents, with the treatment of your teachers, with the treatment of your elders, how they treat you, how they counseling you, and how they guide you. I am putting here $1 million phrase, that is, if your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are the perfect person of world. You have no any random or systematic error. So please try to become the perfect in your life and inspire others. For example, how the norms be settled. So be positive, be active, and be creative when you are counseling your children's, counseling your youngers, counseling your students. You should pay any price for your values, for your development of positive values. Don't be afraid when you are paying any price for your better and positive values, because sometimes you should be pay some money, some price, some assets for your better development of your values. So don't be afraid, do this, because this is your investment for your future, for your better and bright future. So please get some lesson from a video, because this is my basic object here, for that you should get some positive and creative lesson from my videos. Thanks for watching my videos and also liking and sharing my videos. Your comments are very important for my creative and positive initiatives. Thank you. Bye bye.